Well, this video's for us budding millers and turners for the home workshop. So I just thought I'd show you this tool here. That tool there is a fly cutter, obviously. For the ones that don't know, it's a fly cutter. But what I've used, so I don't waste them. If you've got a broken end mill or you've worn it out, that tool there is what's inside there. So I made it so you can put the bits in, and that's what I've used. Nice, quick, easy one. And also, it gives a lovely finish on there. It is beautiful. So you can just about see it. Right. I don't know if it'll go. There we are. We zoomed in. And you can see the finish on that. That's with a homemade fly cutter. There we are. It's focused in there. Not bad at all. That is lovely and smooth. So there we are. Nice freebie tool. What I've used is a bit of 20mm bar, and there we are. So that's that one. Now we go round to the lathe and walk up to the lathe, and here we are. Another homemade tool. This one is this tool here. I've made this because what I wanted was a lathe tool that does any position. And how about that? So what it is, every tool you've ever desired in one. Look, round there, inside, outside, up the carber pass, what do you want? So that's what it does. And you just nip that down. And the reason for that is I bought all these. I expect you've all done the same. So you've all bought a set of these, haven't you? So we've all bought a set of them. And you don't need them anymore. So you just need a few tips that I got on Amazon. And there's the tips I bought. So I made the tool based around those tips. And they were £10 on Amazon. Buy them from a machine tool company, and I saw these, believe it or not, exactly the same ones, 28 quid. I went, really? So there we are. If you go on Amazon, you'll find them, and they've even got some there for £10. But that was what I've done. So it's so simple, isn't it? And you can get any angle you want. Great for facing off. Great for all the bits and pieces you want to do. And it turns absolutely lovely. Just bring out a bit of bar that it's turned. There we are. That's the finish. Not bad. So I was quite pleased with that. And there's the other end. Oh, there was some pickups on that one. But still. So there we are. That's what we've done. That's my latest big project. So if anybody any queries, you know what to do. Put them at the bottom. Thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I will have some more little tool tips later, but that is my latest tip. And you think how much money you save by making that. That did start life as a bit of 20mm bar. So what you got to remember is this is set up for my lathe, my tool holders, which I made. I'll just take it out so you can see. There we are. Simple but effective. And the cost was the tips. That's all. I had the bit of bar. I just had to machine it out for a bit of solid 20mm square. That was. There we are. So all it does, fits in there. Bonk. Done. And of course you don't have to keep swinging the blooming tool post round every time you want to do something now. Just swing the tip. So it'll save a lot of time, and I've also got all the tools in one. So I've just got to change that tip if I want to, and you've got 3 corners every time you need it, and they're not to you. So about £1 a tip. I was quite pleased with that. Don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe. We'll catch you all on the flip side. This is Dave signing off. Bye-bye. Whoosh, we're gone.